Hi, it's Dr. Rogini. So today I want to share a little bit about my personal journey. So I want to share with you what I experienced through all my years and what got me here. So in my years, I had this deep calling. I wanted to know more. I wanted to feel more. I wanted to experience life more. And I wanted to see a deeper meaning of life. So as a doctor, as a practitioner, I've seen so much in my practice and also in my own personal life. I had this question that life can be experienced more deeper, more fuller, more with pleasure and more with joy. So I went through a huge journey. I went and met spiritual masters, gurus and yogis, and in those experiences I've learned everything is experienced within inside of you. So I learned to meditate and I learned to experience life in a whole new perspective. Through those experiences, I was able to apply that in my personal life, in my practice, and in my in day-to-day activities. So what I've gained through that, I've learned something deep. I've learned that we hold on to a lot of karma, or you can call it, we hold on to a lot of burden or a lot of limitations. Our mind can limit us in so many ways that it holds us back from expanding and experiencing pleasure on a regular basis. So what is truly pleasure? Pleasure and joy is something you experience through you. Even if things are not working out right sometimes, even things seem like it's failing, even if it looks like everything is going in different directions. Okay, so what I've learned is to acknowledge every part of life and see it with new lenses. So what I want to share here with you is, you might be experiencing with this too. You might feel it at one point like stuck, or you feel like you want to feel more with life, you want to experience more, but it's not happening. You're trying everything and it always goes back to that dull feeling. You've tried buying different things and at the end it always goes back to the dull feeling. You've tried different relationships, it goes back to the dull feeling. Or you have experienced different places and then it goes back to the dull feeling. So the dull feeling is actually a lens inside of you that's holding you back from experiencing deeper. There's different feelings you might experience. You might feel stuck. You might feel like not as liberated. You might feel like sometimes worried. It depends on the stage of life. So every stage we experience, we go through. Every stage, this is like every year, every month, things can change. Because we continuously evolve as humans. We think we're aging, but we're actually evolving. The only way to evolve faster, or the only way to evolve with joy and happiness and pleasure, you have to remove those mental blocks. You have to release the blocks that are holding you back from truly experiencing the stage you're in at the moment. So that's what I'm trying to say. So every stage is different. So today is different from tomorrow. And tomorrow is different from the next day. So it depends also how fast you're evolving. So it's not about how fast. So I'm just telling you that in terms of linear ways, but it's at the quantum level, it is experiencing every day at the fullest. Sometimes we cannot experience life at the fullest because we have some blocks within ourselves. And that's what we do in our masterclasses. In our masterclasses, we unlock these blocks. So let's say you're married and you have children. You may have different layers of blocks that's stopping you from growing further. You may have blocks that's stopping you from connecting with your children much deeper. You already probably have good connections, but you want to have that little bit extra. That's what these masterclasses will help you. It will help you to create more with you. So the Motherhood Portal is made for mothers or expecting mothers, or if you're planning to become a mother down the road, it's going to help you as well. It's going to help you to see things in a whole new level. And you can also apply this wisdom, not just with as a mother, but you can also apply this wisdom for other parts of your life. So what happens in the masterclass is when we come as a group, we experience a frequency, we experience wisdom that will unlock your own wisdom. So someone asking a question in the masterclass will unlock something inside of you. Me sharing a deep wisdom will open up a new path for you, or unlock something that's inside of you that's been waiting and you just didn't hear it because you were so much in your head or in doubts or fear. So we all as humans experience doubt, fear, anxiety, frustrations. That's all part of being a human. But how long do you want to be in that feeling? How long are you going to doubt yourself? How long are you going to be fearful from reaching the next level? Okay, so that's what we do. We speed up the process. This is what I'm talking about, fast. We speed up the process that you don't have to wait a lifetime to reach your destination. You don't have to wait 30, 40 years to get that answer. You can get it sooner. And this is what we do in our masterclasses. So I hope this video really helped you, and let me know if you have any questions. Please share this video to other people. Like it, follow it. I'm going to be sharing this also on YouTube. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram. So you can find me in all these places. If you want to come in for a powerful chiropractic adjustment, you can find me at the clinic. You can call the clinic to book that appointment for you. So we're always here for you. So I can't wait to see you September 22nd for the Motherhood Masterclass. Bye-bye.